To make contact info visible on Instagram. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So here, as you can see, I am already on my Instagram app. I am on my Instagram profile, so make sure that you are here too. So the first thing that you have to do is switching to a professional profile. So how you can do that? You have to click on those three lines from the right top corner, and then you have to go to settings, the first option, and then from here you have to go to account, and then here you have to scroll down, and at the bottom you will see switch account type. So here you have to switch to a professional account. So once you did that, now you are ready to go. So now let's make our contact info visible. So from here we have to go back again. So make sure that you are to your profile. So from here you have to click on edit profile, and then scroll down, and then you have to click on profile display. So here you have to click on display contact info. So here you have to toggle this on. So now you have to click on the check mark from the right top corner, and then once again at the top right corner you have to click on that blue check mark. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can smash the like button, and you can also subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.